Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about the iOS 26 Beta 1 with liquid glass look. So for this one, let's talk about the new design right there. The first thing I want to do right now is basically go to settings, alright? So once you're in settings right here, we just need to make sure what kind of software we have as of now. So go to software update up there. As you can see right here, I'm currently running 18.5. And that means I don't have iOS 26 as of now, since it's not really released to the public just yet. It's still in beta phase. However, there's going to be an option to install that one to enjoy that glass liquid new look. Alright? So open a browser right here, go to betaapple.com. Now this is going to be the website you should be seeing. This is the website, actually a legitimized website of Apple, to install beta applications or softwares, such as beta iOS 26, iPadOS 26, and so much more. So if you want to install iOS 26 on your iPhone, click this one, iOS 26. And right there, you're going to see this new look. As you can see, it's going to be the top priority or top feature in here. New look, even more magic. It's really, really awesome. Now, just to highlight that new look, this is another feature or article on Apple that says the sleek new design is really good. It's like looking into warm marble. Not just that one, you also have updated app designs, especially on games in Apple. As you can see right there, this is how it should look like. It's really awesome, right? And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.